Good evening, everybody. This is the mail call for the day. Yeah, kind of an odd mail call. This will be a quick video. Getting this out of the packaging may be even hard. They just wrapped it in a plastic, package. So, let's see if I can grab my pair of scissors and see if we can get this thing out without damaging whatever is in it. I think I know what's in it. There's only one thing coming right now with this. I have about 8 more packages on the way, but this is not going to be an easy one. Hopefully I just get it out. Oh, okay, it has some packaging in the interior, I guess. So it is double packaged. Thank you. Ooh, how nice. Now can I just get this outer yuck off of it before I ruin whatever the heck's inside of it? Oh my god, how much is on this thing? Cut through that. Wow, these things are stuck in there. Anybody want to guess what it is? Since I know, well, looking at it, I can tell what it is, but at least now I know what it is. It only could be one thing I've ordered lately. I missed another one earlier today, but my god, this packaging is just friggin' horrendous. Hopefully, just open up the end and pull it out. Please, yeah, just come out. No, I've been buying, I bought the 1993 set, so I went ahead and found a 94 set for a decent price. Every other set is a little more expensive. I'm trying to find the first series that came out. Wow, he just wrapped it. Yes, as you can see, it is 1993 Marvel Masterpiece cards. Should be a full set, no chases. I don't have any chases yet, not worried about those. I'll try to go in bulk later. We'll take a quick look and see. Hopefully these are in order and I can just put them right in my book. But I know it's not the most exciting thing for a Saturday night, but of course they're not in order. They are all over the place. I guess I will have to put them in order. But yeah, standard, the Hulk, Human Torch. Should I show them off as the Hulk number 1? Oh, it is, so they're kind of in order. I think. That's number 3. Okay, so this must be the final card then, which is the Vulture 2099. Well, just a 2-3 minute long video. Just want to say hello and happy Saturday. Have a good time. I got a bunch more boxes coming in the next week. Have a good weekend. Later.